Damn, that's messed up.
I'm good. I ain't gonna fight you. I ain't gonna fight you.
He ain't gonna fight y'all, man. He ain't gonna fight y'all, man. He done showed y'all he could beat y'all if he really wanted to. Y'all suppose.
Colby, come with me.
Wes?
Colby, we're right here in this officer.
Wes, are you okay?
I'm good, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Colby, the officer's gonna Colby.
Oh, neck ass.
Will you get my son, please? Will you get my son?
Block.
Dad, we've been together 25 years. So yeah,
Did you go in your car?
listen, we've been together 25 years.
Okay.
It's so hard for both of us. He's an ass. I tried.
Over here. We're going over here.
I tried not to fight with him. My kids are over there. Will you please take him?
Alright, man. Got here as fast as I could.
Yo, they still on him. Like, damn, y'all gotta be good now. Just put the fucking cuffs on him.
60 seconds.
Let's take your blood.
I can't breathe. I've been drinking.
He's got blood all over his face. She's got blood all over her face.
Please let me breathe.
You want to?
How are we going to get him cuffed?
Alright, so listen. Here's the deal. We're gonna roll him kind of on his side. Listen to me. Are you done?
I'm done.
You said that on the ground, though. Are you done? Or you want to get tased again?
Man, let that man breathe, man. Y'all can't be on him like that. You already got him cuffed.
We're gonna have to.
I can keep his legs pinned like this if you try and roll him.
Grandma.
Here's the thing.
Hey, if you listen to me.
You got me?
If we bring your arm behind you, are you gonna fight us?
No, I'm not going to. Let's get another body cam so we can get his
Yep.
I'm just pissed.
All right, I understand, but listen.
We got blood on my
You are
face
not
and
gonna
everything,
fight
or
us,
no?
or you will be tased again. You understand?
He don't give a damn about y'all taser. You gonna tear y'all asses up. That's Papa Bear right there.
One uncuff. I'll get it behind.
You hear him? Papa Bear said,
Who's the one that I took down?
I'm
I'm sorry, bro.
he boosted up.